So you want to cycle through multiple outputs step by step. That's MultiGate. FlipFlop gives you two outputs. MultiGate lets you cycle through as many as you want, sequentially or shuffled. Now this is a very special node and we have a very beautiful example. So let's just focus in, and to get this node just right click and type in MultiGate and you will get this node. So this node have multiple execution pins and multiple inputs. So let's just remove it all and see for in our example. So we have a 0.2 second loop where we are resetting it after 0.2 seconds, and for now we are just keeping from 0 to 3 where we're printing that out 0, out 2, out 4, out 3, out 5 or whatever it is. And then after a sequence we have a reset point here. Now we will loop it every 0.2 second and you will see how it is actually printing like flip-flop. It will keep changing between 0 to 1, 3, 4 like this, as you can see on the screen. I'm sorry for saying 4, but we have 0, 1, 2, 3 here, 4 execution pin here. So now let's just do it in random and see how it actually responds. So let's just press begin play, and as you can see it's not sequentially, it is shuffled. And back when I press begin play, it was sequential. Now it is great for weapon wheels, dialogue line, cutscene steps, or randomized event. MultiGate is like your blueprint playlist button. So it is super useful node and very easy to understand. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.